Finally, we are here. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Twin Lake of Muanenguba.
Bienvenue à Konsamba.
So we are at Konsamba right now. As usual, I'm taking you guys along with me every step of the way. Okay, do not forget to like, do not forget to subscribe, and see you along the way. Ciao, ciao.
Bienvenue en Konsamba, bienvenue en Konsamba. Et sentez-vous à l'aise, sentez-vous chez vous. Konsamba, c'est une ville touristique. Konsamba, c'est une ville qui a besoin de vous. Venez et investissez en Konsamba. Nous avons besoin de cela. Sa population à 80% jeune a besoin des investisseurs. Venez en Konsamba, investissez en Konsamba, vous n'allez pas perdre. Son climat, sa population, sa position géographique, sa position stratégique, le business, ça marche en Konsamba. Super en Konsamba.
Ouais. On appelle ça comment?
Parmi du Nord.
Parmi du Nord. I've never had this, so it's gonna be my first time having this. I'm not too familiar with it, but it's nice, it tastes nice. Enough for the trip so we can have enough to eat upstairs of the mountain. So this is as far as the car can take us. I'm so happy because we covered a lot of kilometers. Like from the total journey, the car has covered us like 3 to 5 kilometers. So from here we start going up, start hiking up, and yeah, let's see how it goes.
On do for the video.
Ok.
Ici on est au petit cratère de Boabi.
Ok.
Ça s'appelle aussi le cratère du petit Dieu. Donc sa particularité que c'est un cratère vide. Il a beau pleuvoir pendant toute la saison de pluie, que ce lac-ci ne retient pas, ça ne contient pas l'eau. Donc il sera toujours vide.
So we got this fruit. I was told it gives energy, so I'm trying to. I was told it gives energy, so I don't know if it's true or not. Let me just try that because I'm really tired. All right, guys, let's go.
Les baies de montagne.
Les baies de montagne. Nos bonbons pour la route.
Les baies de montagne. Oh,
okay. Yes, this is like white strawberry that we find on the Mount Muanenguba. Okay. So, like I was saying, it's good that we have it with the temperature we have now, because it's not hot and it's still fresh to eat, and it's rich with sugar and water. So it's very useful when we are going up the mountain. So I will catch some of them for us to test it and for you to appreciate its taste.
ok.
Yeah.
Les baies de
This
montagne.
one is not good.
Ouais. Bon, là, on a fait un arrêt au niveau de la colline pour observer ces baies de montagne, pour avoir de l'énergie et des ressources nécessaires pour pouvoir continuer. Parce que là, sincèrement, ça ne va plus. Ça ne va vraiment plus. Donc, on va les cueillir et on va recharger les énergies. Suivez-nous.
Hello guys, so we are halfway there and this is like savannah, and there right behind me you have the École Publique Mburuku, and look at this view, man. This view is mad. Just check this out, man. The climate here, second to none. Real beautiful, cold, not so cold but fresh, man, fresh. So yeah, we are halfway there. I can't believe we have like the same kilometers we covered down there. We have to cover that again up here. But adventure is not for the weak. It is for the strong-hearted.
we are just finishing the, according to me, the hardest part of the travel. So now we are entering the zone of tree forest. We call it zone of tree forest because there are 3 different areas made of forest.
Wow.
Yeah. So after, at the end of that forest, we'll reach the border of the crater.
Okay.
Yeah. And then from that border, we'll observe the family lake from the top of the crater. Yeah.
Okay. Just like my friend Bruno said, we have to cross 3 different forests before getting to the lake, before getting to the Twin Lake itself. So there we have the first forest. It's really dense. Like I said, there's no room for giving up on this trip. So come with me. Let's get along and finish the journey.
Here we have come to what we call the Stargate. I remember a Stargate. Why a Stargate? A Stargate because it's like the barrier between the littoral region from this side, and when you cross to the other side, you reach the southwest regions. So Mount Muanenguba is just marvelous.
Right here, we are in littoral.
Yeah, the littoral region.
We're in the littoral region.
Yeah.
So when we cross
southwest region,
Stargate,
you have traveled from one universe to the other.
Hey. magnificent guys. So this is the path that separates southwest and littoral. Okay, let's continue our journey.
Yeah. Allez, on continue, Jake. On continue.
On se repose pas.
On repose, non, mon frère.
On peut se reposer.
Okay, this no rest.
Par votre step. Moi je dis, comme je vous laisse entrer là, vous allez stopper vous-même là-bas.
Okay.
Personne ne va venir vous dire.
So we are getting there. God, why are you crying? Piquez les calmes toi mon frère. C'est quoi non ouais?
Whoa!
Oh, this is beautiful, man. This is beautiful. It's a beautiful. Wow.
Wow! Wow!
I will show you guys the view. Welcome to Kupe-Muanenguba. Yeah. So we're going now.
My village.
So we're going down to have a closer look at the lake. It's like, c'est comme si ça avait la fesse qu'on va continuer, hein.
C'est avec les fesses qu'on va continuer.
Oui, parce que
c'est chaud.
It's really steep.
Yeah.
You cannot really climb this by your legs. You have to use your buttocks. Rain don't beat us well. I said well. I don't know if the gods were angry because we shouted too much, because of the excitement and the views. Mon frère, the rain that poured on us. It's not been an easy one, man. It's been a struggle coming down here. Trust me, it's been hell coming down here. I don't know what it's gonna take to go back. We have no choice. We're almost there. We're almost there, guys. We're almost there. We're almost there. Beautiful views of. Okay. Give you guys a beautiful view of the Twin Lakes. We're almost there. Oh no. Please like, subscribe if you haven't. Any more contents coming your way. Thank God for some. We're almost there. See you soon. The next footage is going to be the view of the magnificent Twin Lake Manenguba. Finally, we are here. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Twin Lake of Manenguba. Hello guys, so we have come to the end of this episode. I just want to say thank you to the guide, Mr. Bruno. Thank you so much for bringing us here.
You're welcome.
Guys, the view is beautiful. Over the phone, I'm not doing it justice. You need to come here and see for it yourself. And with our guide, do you have anything to tell our viewers?
Yeah, the best way to enjoy this place is camping.
Okay.
No, you have to take your time to climb up to the top of the mountain and wash everything that you want to wash on the way, and then spend some time with the local people who are living inside the crater. So that's just it. Anyway, for other people, if you are very sportive, then you can camp and do some trail and discover your place. You will surely take a bath inside the female lake. No, it's possible to take a bath inside it. So happy to meet you.
And I also want to say a very big thank you to Young Africa for making this possible. They are the sponsor for these videos. They are the #1 touristic agency which consolidates every activity provided by different touristic guides, so that it can be made accessible to you or the public. So I want to say thank you to Young Africa. Youngafrica.com. If you want to book any of these activities, go to youngafrica.com. Instagram, Young Africa. All right guys, thank you, and see you guys on the next one. This is your boy Chimex, and I'm out. Peace.